Hey guys, what is that? Today's tutorial will show you how to create double-sided business cards on Canva. If you want to know how to make double-sided business cards on Canva easily, stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so first things first, just like any other Canva videos we have. Mobile, open the Canva app. PC, laptop, Mac. Open any browser you want, Chrome, Edge, Safari, and go to canva.com. And we're pretty much on canva.com here. And here on the search bar in the middle of Canva is type in double-sided business cards. And as you can see, it says here double-sided business cards. So click on that. And let's wait for it to load. And here you see different types of business cards that you can use. Now, the best advice is if you want to use an existing template, edit it, edit the colors, edit the fonts, so that it can be unique to you. So if, say, you want this one, as you can see, the ones with the crown icon are premium content, so you need to have Canva Pro, which is, in my opinion, worth it. So say you want a free one like this one, makeup artist business card, right? It's ready for it to load. There you go. It's double-sided. As you can see, this is the front. It says Borcel or Borcelli Beauty Makeup Artist. On the back, it says the name S.L. Darcy, Borcelli Beauty Makeup Artist, and then the information. So the website, phone number, and then the email, phone number, and website. So that's it. That's the video. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.